So as you can see, it is a rainforest. Very lush. As a kid, I always wanted to be in a rainforest. So to me, this is heaven. They're doing a tour over there. Let's see. Let's go check it out. It's pretty nice here. Wow. Let me flip that around. So when you look from this angle, that is pretty amazing looking. It's gorgeous. A lot of surfers over here. And I know that I guess last weekend the guy from the Cosby Show died out here, drowned. I don't know if it was this beach, but we're right in the area, I know that. As you can see, the surfs are very rough if you don't know what you're doing. It's gorgeous. God can do some amazing work. That's why I want to spend the rest of eternity with Him.